Ready with me, and I kind of wanted to talk while I do it. And you guys can kind of see like what it's like to get ready with me, so let's get started. So first what I'm going to do is put my Draw It All Out Skin Detoxifying Peel Mask. And I'm going to use like a dime size amount, and I'm just applying this on my nose. Just because I feel like I'm a little extra oily today. Alright, so now we're going to move on to my brows, and I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil, and this is in dark brown. I really don't know what look I want to go for. I did an olive look the other day, and it was like really fire, but I'm only saying I want to wear that look because it's my shirt, but I don't know if I'm even gonna wear this shirt, honestly. Oh my god, you guys, I know I'm late. Well, I'm not really late, but I'm fake late. I've been watching season 2 of You, and it's been crazy. First of all, Joe is bugged out. Why do you think that if you just move somewhere and change your name, you're gonna change who you are? Like, he is actually sick in the head. And I think it's weird that like people are saying that they relate to him, they understand him, they want his love. And I mean, I get it, like from what he's trying to put out to make it seem, but it's like once you see who a person is, that's it. I'm sorry. And if somebody I was dating wound up to be like him, no, absolutely not. But anyways, I'm on episode 7. So I think I'm almost done. I think it's like, what, 10? I had started watching it, and then I just like wasn't paying attention for some reason. Which is crazy because the show is addictive. Like, I haven't put it down since, but I feel like the girlfriend is crazy. Like, I think she's nuts. Now we're gonna conceal my brows. This is the first time I ever did my brows for you guys. So I'm gonna go in with an olive look today. And I'm gonna be using the Morphe 15T. Why did I close it? I'm such a dweeb. The 15T palette that you guys have seen in my, oh, I don't wanna blind you, in my previous video. And I'm gonna be focusing on this last row here. I'm gonna go in with the color Before. Aw, I'm giving you guys the first impressions video, like I said. Who's the cutest? Me. Just kidding. But not really though. So now we're gonna take Woke Up Like This, and it's like a chestnutty brown, and I'm just gonna blend that line out, kind of smoke out the green and not make it so harsh. So guys, like, I have so much in store this year. I was like in a little bit of a rut when I first began because I kind of needed to find my footing, see where I fit, see what people wanted to see from me, what they actually enjoy, what they were actually tuning into. And once I kind of figured that out and accepted it, I really opened up my creative doors, which is really good. I've been planning so much content. Like, I have at least 2 months worth of content planned alone. So with that being said, there's so much for you guys to look out for this year, this month, period. Like, I have so much stuff that I would just want you guys to see, and I really think you're gonna enjoy it. I honestly was really trying to be my most creative self and like tap into things that interest me, but also make it into makeup, because makeup is really art and you can really have a lot of fun with it. The face alone is like a great canvas. And I've been following this boy on Instagram, and his name is Lavi Dunn, and he does the craziest things to his face. Like, I've always like been obsessed with people who can really turn their face into something transformative. Like, and also Nikki Tutorials, she's amazing. I was watching her from when I was like 9. Like, I used to be obsessed with her. Now we're gonna go in with a pointy crease brush, and we're gonna go in with the color Glam. It's just a dark smoky black with like green reflex in it, and we're just gonna deepen out this outer V a little bit. Just want to really blend. That's your friend. Blend is your friend, if you guys haven't met. Now we're gonna take our pointy crease brush and just blend out that concealer on the end. Okay, now I'm gonna take this Morphe flat shader brush and I'm gonna go in with the color After. And it's a slightly darker shimmery green. And I'm gonna pack that on to the outer part of my eye. Oh man, this color would have been so perfect for Christmas. I hate it here. They didn't bring me my stuff. Now we're gonna flip that brush onto the other side and we're gonna go in with the color Artist. And we're gonna finish off on the inner corner with that. And you wanna start blending the two together where they meet in the middle. And you really wanna pack it on, so you wanna like pat and kind of sweep, but do it a little aggressively. Just apply a little pressure, basically. And then back in with After, just to make sure we don't lose any of that intensity, and also to help blend. I'm just gonna do just a quick touch up. Yes, you guys like? I think it's cute. It's pretty. Perfect. And we're not gonna do winged eyeliner. I think it's a little bit of an overkill, but I am gonna cut the outer side, clean it up. Most people do this with tape, but I'm pretty steady-handed with this stuff, so I just do it according to how I want it. Actually, I kind of like it. Do you guys like it? I like it. We'll leave it. Let's be different today. We're gonna be different. So with that being said, I'm just gonna apply a little bit of liner to my lash line just to darken it. Perfect. So now I'm just going to remove my pore strip. Well, my makeshift pore strip. I don't even know where to start. I'm scared. Okay. Okay. There you go. Oh, it's really not even that dramatic. I barely had anything in my face. I swear, this stuff be all in my head. All in my head. I have a makeup wipe. Apply a little moisturizer. This is the Thirst No More moisturizer by 1006. All you need is 2 pumps, and you are good to go, honey. It smells like kiwi. Ooh, this is like a new beauty blender that I'm using. And it's not that soft. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's punching me in the face. Oh my god. Ooh, it's stippling the hell out of me though. Did you guys know that I can do accents? If you want to see me do a video in a full accent, let me know. Actually, don't let me know. I'm gonna do it. Now it's time to go to the bake shop. Anybody want something? That is my pet peeve. My smile lines. They just crease like no other. Now while we wait for that to bake, my bronzer palette, and my Morphe angled face brush. Morphe angled face brush. There we go. Now I'm gonna take my Amy B Kabuki brush. Look how cute it is. It's so cute. It's a cheetah. Cheetah. The cheetah girl, cheetah sisters. And I'm gonna go in with my fave, my blush palette by e.l.f. and my e.l.f. blush brush. Is this e.l.f.? No, Morphe, sorry. And we're gonna take these two. I'm gonna mix them.
I'm really not sure how rosy I want to go because I want the eyes to be the main focus. And I just want a little flush of cheek color, just slightly. So I tap it really light and I just blend it out.
Now I'm gonna go in with some baking powder and I'm just gonna clean up my bronzer. Like I said, I wanna look snatched today. So, yes. I have my Fenty Beauty Highlight in Hustle a Baby. It's really my fave. I actually need to go out and purchase some new highlights because honestly, I genuinely get tired of saying the same products. I did go out and I bought a Milani, the 2-in-1 Perfecting Foundation Concealer Combo Foundation thingy. And they did not have, or at least I didn't purchase the right color. But in me not purchasing the right color, I found that I don't really care for its consistency. So I am gonna return it and see if I can find another foundation that I like. But I really, really love my Fit Me. Like, would you guys be upset if I like just never stopped using it? Because I really love it. Like, I love it. I just decided I want to contour my nose. So I'm going to quickly do that. This makeup is really pretty. I actually really avoided wearing color eyeshadow and like eyeshadow just in general for a long time because I didn't want to compromise my red hair, and I regret it. I really do, because it's so pretty. All right, I'm gonna clean up this powder. Ooh, you see what I'm talking about? You see that glow? Do you see what I mean? It hits different. It really does. All right, I'm gonna go back into the Morphe 15T palette and I'm gonna take this e.l.f. flat shader brush and I'm gonna go in with the color Glam very lightly, and I'm just gonna apply that to my lower lash line.
Just to add a little smoke. And when the smoke is fire, get it on fire. Ah! Energy all 2020. Honestly guys, I want us all to have the best self-confidence, the best, like just the best. Like, I want you guys to feel amazing about yourself. I want you guys to feel like you are that BICCH that, you know, you always wanted to be. I want you guys to knock down obstacles, conquer, because we came to win. And this year is your year, seriously.
I'm gonna go in with Before and just lighten that up a little bit, give it some green. And then we're gonna take that same flat eyeshadow brush and we're gonna go in with Artist and we're just gonna apply that to the inner corner. Perfect. All we need is a little mascara, some lashes, so give me 1 second. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with our NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Abu Dhabi. And I'm gonna mix that with Boy Bait by MAC.